This is a career profile for a family and community engagement specialist. This is a job that can exist in a wide variety of organizations, including public organizations like United Way, or in more private organizations like school districts, private schools, private preschools, and even in hospitals. Depending on where you work, can change your level of pay or your level of duties and responsibilities. Your work environment is normally performed in a typical interior environment. It is not subjected to any hazardous or unpleasant elements. You must have the ability to carry or lift 15 to 45 pounds. And again, depending on organization, you may have a typical 8-hour workday from Monday through Friday. Or in your smaller organizations, you may be required to work evenings and weekends. Typical stressors might include keeping a strict schedule while developing, planning, and implementing the programs, but overall, this job does not have high stressors. Typical benefits can be having none if you're working with smaller organizations, but if you're working with larger ones, like a school district or a hospital, you can have full medical benefits and life insurance. You'll have ongoing professional support and development, and you'll have time off. A common job task might include assisting the development and implementation of family and community engagement programs, initiatives, and activities. You'll also assist in getting the information about the organization or information that is in the organization, getting it out to communities and families. You'll be required to organize and facilitate programs and activities for parents, caregivers, children, and other community members. You'll be able to identify the best practices for family and community engagement and assist with replicating those strategies throughout the organization and the community. You need to be able to promote research-based family and community engagement strategies. You have to provide cooperative goal setting with families, provide parent guidance and supportive counseling, lead and support parent training, education, self-sufficiency, and other related activities. Another job requirement is to establish relationships with appropriate service providers and community agencies. Must be able to provide resources and referral services for the families. Must be able to coordinate services and collaborate with outside service providers. You'll have to provide assistance to teachers and staff if you're working with a school district. Provide assistance with them who are working with families and serve as a liaison or advocate for the families. Must be able to collect and report on relevant data as assigned. And you must be able to use a variety of multimedia and social media to inform internal and external audiences about family and community engagement efforts. Educational requirements includes having a bachelor's degree in social work, public health, or a related field, including marriage and family studies. If you're working within a school district, they prefer classroom experience, but if you work with community outreach programs, that will also help. Your starting salary range can start at about $38,000. An experience salary range when you're working with a large organization like a hospital or a school district can be $60,000 or above, and that's per year. But your salary range can vary greatly depending on your organization. School districts, hospitals, and private organizations tend to pay higher than county or public organizations. Other miscellaneous career information includes that the job may require 3 to 5 years experience working with children and families of underserved populations, especially if you're working with organizations such as United Way. It's preferred that you are bilingual, and you should have experience working with multicultural populations. You should be knowledgeable about childcare or other educational settings. You should have knowledge of services available to low-income people in your location. And that is the career profile of a family and community engagement specialist. Thank you.